In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do follow-up email on Gmail. Following up the right way can make all the difference. And the good news is that Gmail makes it simple. Start by opening Gmail and signing in to your account. Use the same inbox where you sent or received the original message so everything stays in one place. If your inbox is busy, the search bar at the top is your friend. Type a keyword from the subject or the sender's name to quickly find the conversation. Once you're in your inbox, locate the email you want to follow up on and click to open it. It's best to follow up within the original conversation so your recipient has all the context. That way, they can quickly scroll up, see what was discussed, and respond without hunting for past messages. Inside the opened email, look toward the top right of the message area for the 3 vertical dots. These are the More Options menu for that message. Be sure you're clicking the dots within the email, not your browser's menu. Opening this reveals actions related to the message you're viewing. From that menu, choose Reply. Reply keeps your follow-up inside the same thread and automatically addresses the person who sent the original email. It also preserves the subject line for continuity, which helps your message feel connected and easier to track. If others were on the thread and you need their input, you can consider Reply All. But if not, stick with Reply to avoid unnecessary inbox clutter for others. Now type your follow-up message. Keep it polite, concise, and clear. A simple structure works well. Start with a friendly greeting, reference the original topic to refresh context, restate your key question or request, and offer a helpful next step or deadline. For example, hope you're doing well. I'm checking in about the proposal I sent last week. Do you have any feedback? If it helps, I can walk you through the highlights on a quick call. What works for you? You can add a brief thank you and your usual sign-off. Avoid forwarding the original email as a new thread. Reply keeps everything tidy and professional. Before sending, give your note a quick proofread. Check tone, clarity, and any dates or links you mention. When it looks good, click Send. Your message will post to the same conversation, keeping the history intact. That's it. You've followed up in Gmail in a way that's organized, respectful, and easy for your recipient to act on. With a clear, friendly message and a simple call to action, you'll boost your chances of getting a timely response.